side of his car cover.
Wow.
And it lettered on the side
That's
of his
kind
car
of
cover.
informative for you to
Yeah.
steal from people.
Yeah.
Look at him. He's coming in hot. Are we now missing Los Angeles completely?
No, we're gonna be. I think we're gonna miss, the worst part of it, but we'll be going down through Long Beach, I think, and I remember that being kind of rough when I traveled. And Anaheim is really rough.
Really?
Yeah.
Is that where Disneyland is?
Yeah, I know it, but it's really, really full of homeless people and desirables. If you can say that, honestly. People that are living rough, put it that way.
Okay.
This person's paying attention to the rules.
Speaking of rules, that's why I'm having a hard time driving.
Putting
Oh
air
my
conditioning.
gosh!
It's time to put air conditioning in. Call a crane. Crane service needed to install air conditioning. Wow. Talk about being a slice of life here.
Douglas says no, she went to Pomona, not Pepperdine.
No. Okay.
Hordes of motorcycle people,
Yeah.
none of whom look terrifying. They all just look kind of old.
Yeah.
Old people's motorcycle outing.
There's the sag wagon.
They're not even driving theirs. They're just saying, we're along just for the experience. We don't want to actually drive the motorcycle.
Somebody has to drive breakdown trailer.
My gas is $4.39.
Ooh, there's a nice old one.
A bunch of them along here. Must be what Douglas talking about, how a lot of veterans